Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an update. We're going to be explaining what's going to be happening over the winter period. But first of all, what I'd like to do is thank you all for taking part in our NEC poll. We do appreciate it.
Yes, most people actually said if you want to go to the show, go and enjoy it, and said so that's what we're going to do. We're going as customers, we've bought our tickets and we are going to go on the Saturday. So if you see us, please say hello. I said because we're not filming, we're just going to report back on what it was like going as customers, because it's been quite a while since we've been.
It is. My phone's bleeping, sorry about that. Yes, it is. I've got hopefully some exciting news coming out soon. I'm chatting with a caravan dealer to make some videos. They're going to be, some maybe how-tos and some will be about caravans in general. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Yes, you've also done a few DIY ones, which, because we've had a few things that needed upgrading in the caravan. And I said we've also done a couple of chatty ones as well while we've been away, that when we've had a drink we've actually chatted about things, and we've made a couple of films, so they'll come out over the winter period as well. Yeah.
Now the accessories is going to be split. We're going to be doing so many this year because we've managed to long-term test them and we can give a final comment on them. And others, because we haven't had enough time to do it justice, we're going to leave to the middle of probably spring next year, I think.
Yeah, and then we can give a full review for you, so that we can tell you what it's been like, because we've used it a little bit more.
Well, I think that's it, and it's only a short film this, but we'd like to thank you for your support throughout the year.
Yeah, so we really do. We really do appreciate your support.
We do. And we'll see you very soon.
We will. Thank you very much for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.